How much does it cost to install James Hardie siding on an average home? Let's talk about it. So this home behind me is your average home, about 2,500 square feet. We did the roof, we did the windows, we did the siding, we did the deck, but we only want to speak about siding. James Hardie siding and AZEK trim. That's what you want to, kind of mostly what everybody in the Northeast wants to get. They don't specifically like Hardie trim around this area. A little bit to the west of us, Pennsylvania, they love Hardie trim. A little bit to the north, North Jersey, they love Hardie trim as well. But around here in the metro area, they love AZEK trim. So it just kind of stands out, right? When I'm talking about numbers in this video, I'm talking about the James Hardie siding, the AZEK trim, the soffit, and also the labor portion of it. Obviously, there has to be a waste container in the project, but all those four areas that we want to speak about, that all entails the price that I'm going to give you. So it doesn't include windows, it doesn't include roof, it doesn't include any lighting, decking, railings, it doesn't include doors, any of those extra stuff that a client may want to do during the project. So this is an average size home, roughly around, I'm gonna say 22 to 2,500 square feet is an average size home. This one is 2,500 square feet. So the siding portion for this project was $50,000. Now, they had upgrades. They wanted specific trim, so it was just a little bit higher, but if your house is roughly around 2,500 square feet, your siding should cost you about $50,000. Some of you may say it's expensive, some of you say it's in where other people are pricing it out, and others may say, Junior, I think I can't afford that. If you can't afford that, if you watch my next video, I'm gonna explain to you how much vinyl siding is gonna cost you, so you'll know the difference. It's gonna save you money, but it's not gonna be James Hardie siding, it's not gonna be AZEK trim. You're gonna know the difference when you walk by the house. I'm gonna say, I always tell everybody that installed the siding, the homeowner enjoys their siding, but really the neighbors get to see it. And they're the ones that get to see the siding more than themselves, because after a while, they just walk in to their house and they don't even notice their siding. But their neighbors always notice, and they tell their husband or they tell their wife, you need to change our siding. So it's basic, simple math. You have 25 squares times $2,000. It's at $50,000. It's just simple math, right? 25 times 2 equals $50,000. Now, I need you to understand, this is your standard home, average home. They went with a bigger trim package, so theirs, it was actually more than $50,000. What's included in the price? The number one thing that it's included is workmanship warranty. So James Hardie, if we're part of the James Hardie Alliance program, right? And so we're certified by James Hardie. We went through their program, and now we submit their information, how much everything costs, what was installed in their house. We download invoices inside the portal, so James Hardie knows how much everything costs, and then the client's name, their address, their email address, so they have a full warranty. So let's say I retire in 10 or 15 years and I move to Aruba. They can call James Hardie and say, listen, Carpenter's Touch installed my siding about 10 years ago and we're having some issues. Okay, let me look inside. Oh, yeah, Mr. Smith? Yeah, we have your information. You live at 123 Main Street in West Orange, New Jersey? Yeah, we're gonna take care of you. See, that's the most important thing of having a warranty. Now, there's contractors that are not part of the Alliance program and can't offer you a warranty. They can still install your siding, but you won't have that warranty. So I would like you guys to leave it in the comments. What type of quotes have you gotten? Because I know some of my competitors, they're at $3,500 a square, $3,000 a square. Some of them are even at $1,500, but you're not really getting nothing. They're getting basically Hardie with aluminum around the windows. So remember, the prices in New Jersey, New York, right, are more expensive than Texas, than South Carolina, North Carolina, Alabama, right? When you go down to California, they're much higher. When you go up to Denver, Colorado, just as much as California. The prices depend on the market that you're in. If you're more in a bigger market, it's gonna be more expensive. Let me know and just type down below and say, oh, I'm from Pennsylvania, it's this much. I'm from Washington State, Seattle, Washington, it's this much. And I would love to hear the different prices. Or just say, nah, I'd rather get vinyl siding. Leave it in the comments. Keep watching.